My niece Candace invited me to visit her in Los Angeles, and on the second day of our trip, she had a total freak out and decided to kick me out of her home and leaving me stranded with nowhere to go. I had to find myself a hotel room and pay out of pocket for that, and then she decided to ignore me for the rest of the time that I was there. So,
She invited you to stay at her apartment?
correct. So
For how long?
For 5 days total.
So 5 days. And she decided that as a guest?
Yes.
Free of charge? So it was kind of like a gesture, like a gift. Come stay with me.
Well, yeah, we're family.
Okay, so it was a gift. So she decided to rescind that gift or rescind the invite to your home how many days after?
It was on the second day that I was there, and I was planning to be there for 5 total.
Okay, so how is that a legal obligation for her to pay for your hotel when she invited you to her apartment?
Well, she invited me out there,
An
so
invitation is a gift.
correct, but I wasn't planning on spending this money out of pocket to go find somewhere to go, and unsafely just kicked me out in the middle of a town that I have no idea where I'm at.
Why'd you kick your aunt out of your apartment?
Because she has continually disrespected my boundaries, and during her trip to my apartment, I had enough. And
She crossed the boundary in just 2 days. What was so bad that she did to cause you to go bonkers after 2 days?
she, for the third time, has brought my supposed half-sister to my home after she made a promise to me that she would not do that anymore, and I just had it, and I kicked her out.
Okay,
It is her sister. I mean, I was there when the girl was born. I know that they're sisters.
okay. So you disrespected her boundaries. She asked you not to do something on several occasions, which obviously is very sensitive to her. I don't even know, but it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure it out. She doesn't get along with her half-sister. How is she legally responsible for the $550 that you spent in hotel, et cetera, while you were in LA for the last 3 days?
Well, I mean, again, I wasn't planning on it. This was something that she was gifting me to come out there for. You know, my brother passed away a little while ago, and I've been trying to rekindle a relationship with her sister and her, and I just feel that she's completely changed after her dad passed. I'm just really hurt by her actions.
So that's why you're suing her.
Yes.
Oh, I'm trying to fix my relationship with her, so I'm going to sue her. I'm going to go against her wishes and bring her half-sister, who she hates, to her house multiple times, even though she told me not to. Does she really think suing her is going to mend the relationship?
For the money that I had to cough up
I
on
mean,
this trip.
come on. You realistically think she's legally responsible for $550?
Yeah, and her behavior.
Under what
How do you
legal?
cha- how do
Explain
you-
the legal theory, because I don't understand your legal theory. There was no contract. So if you're suing her to make a point, if you're suing her to make you listen, if you're suing her because you are very hurt by her actions, that's another story. You shouldn't be wasting the court's time in filing a small claims court, but I may understand because obviously you're really hurt. But that is not something that I can fix for you. You clearly violated her rules, violated her wishes, and she got tired of it and she kicked you out. She has every right to do that.
I don't agree, but here we are.
It doesn't matter if you don't agree, and I'm not going to say I don't care if you don't agree, because obviously I care, but it really doesn't matter.
I think this woman's just living in a different reality. I mean, how can you disagree with the judge who knows the law and is clearly explaining what her reasoning is?
I reject your reality and substitute my own.
All right, anything else, ladies?
I would like her to know that, you know, that's not how you treat your family. That's not how you treat people that love you and care about you. And
It would help if you would twist that around. I don't know you very well, but you just pointed the finger at her. When you did something to her to make her feel not supported, not respected, she clearly asked you, I don't want anything to do with my half-sister.
She has chosen
And you
her
tried
over me.
to make it work, right?
yes, I have
But that's
apologized
none
for
of your
her.
business. It's her relationship with her half-sister. It's not yours to fix.
1 second, guys. Okay, I brought a little something that might just make her realize what's actually happening. It's a mirror. Sometimes you need to hold a mirror up to someone and be like, maybe you're the problem. Also, side note, look how cute this mirror is.
Ms. Casey, anything else?
No.
That's it. Okay. Based on the evidence, I will deny the plaintiff's claim for $550. Good luck, ladies.
This is one of those classic cases when someone is suing with no legal leg to stand on, but they're more or less trying to sue to try and get the other person just to hear them or to actually listen to them, even if they're wrong. And this woman was wrong. What do you guys think about the judgment? Do you think it was too much, too little, or just right? I would love to know your thoughts. Let me know. Love ya.
I reject your reality and substitute my own.